Bachata for beginners, how to start, where to start. So first we're gonna go from the basic walk. So we have to learn basic walk. So we're going side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, tap. Once we got this, we're gonna focus on how to dance. So we're gonna stay a little bit low, and we're gonna use our knees and hips activated, and also we'll try not to travel too much, but use more actions. Same step, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that tap on count 4 and 8, instead of foot, we're gonna do a little hip. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, hip, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the ladies, they can do a little bit more hip action from behind. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we know how to go side to side. Let's go the same forward and back. So we go 3 steps forward, 1, 2, 3 with the hip, 4, 3 steps back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's combine those 2 steps together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now turns, especially for ladies. We always use 3-step turns. So go step, together, side, hip, or other side, step, together, side, hip. So 3-step turn. So we got those 3 steps. Now we can start dancing together. So how to dance together? So you take your hands, free connection, dancing those basic steps. We start side to side first to see if we can move side to side. We can go back and forward, and we can do turns to one side, turns to another side. So once we got this, now we can start doing some leading and manipulation. So most important for the guys is to lead. So you can turn your girl to your left, you can turn her underarm, or you can do a hammerlock situation, position, hand position, and then return her. So we're gonna use all of those. So let's start. The easiest one is actually, it's good to start with just turns. So we do basic step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we turn our partner to the right, and then we turn our partner to the left. And then back to the basic steps. So see if she can follow you. Turn her to the right, turn her underarm to the left, and do a couple basic steps. Once we've done that, we're gonna proceed with the hammerlock turns. So let's do a couple basics just to give us momentum. And now we do hammerlock. So we leave this arm, other arm goes down, and she's turning, and the arm gets here. Now here we can still do basic, or we can return our partner to the starting position where she started. So let's try hammerlock right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to the basic step. So the idea is to combine those steps as much as we can. Excellent. Now, next one. We're gonna create, similar to hammerlock, this way, we have a cuddle position. So what it means, cuddle? So we keep our arms always connected. Right arm goes down, left arm, turn the girls in. So this is a cuddle position. So this will be a hammerlock. So she's on outside. This will be a cuddle. She is on inside. Okay, so let's try to do a little bit cuddle. So we go basic to the side. Now we turn our girl and keep our hands connected. And then we unwind her. So this is the cuddle. So basic step, we have hammerlocks. We have just underarm turn. We have basic steps. And then we have cuddles. We can unwind her from cuddle. Now, cuddle also is very easy to do from forward and back steps. So let's remind forward and back steps. We're doing bachata. Now, as lady moving back here, when she starts going about to go forward, we can take her to the cuddle and then unwind her. And then proceed with the regular forward and back bachata steps. So let's try that again. So it's a cuddle from the forward and back position. Now, when we're in forward and back position also, when you get your partner in a cuddle, you have the other option. You can just walk together forward. So you go walk, walk, walk. You can do a little scooping kick, walk, walk, and release her from here. That's all variations of cuddle. So you're playing with the cuddles, hammerlocks, and free spins. So cuddle, you can keep her. Yes, excellent. And then you can unwind her. Now, what else we can do with cuddle? When we going side to side, we can cuddle her on the right. Now here, instead of releasing her, I'm gonna ping pong her on the other side, and it's just gonna be cuddle on the other side. So we can go from one cuddle to another cuddle. And now from here, I can release her. There is a few ways how you can release from that position. So let's recoup. So we have our basic steps. We have our free spins. We have our hammerlocks. We have our cuddles. We can stay in the cuddle. Or we can have double cuddle from one side to another side. And this is easy. So we can play with all of this as a choreography. Now, if you want to take your bachata to the next level, you can add body rolls or hip rolls. So the hip roll will be a little bit easier to start with. So let's do a hip roll. So hip roll, basically how to do it. So as you step side, if you step side with the right foot, your right hip start rotating to the right, then back on 2 straight legs, other side, forward, and you always want to finish on the opposite leg. So go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to finish on opposite leg. So if you start with the right, you want to finish on the right so the left is ready to go. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you start your hip roll with the left leg, if you start your hip roll with the left leg, now you're gonna rotate your hips to the left for the 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finishing on the left so the right ready to go. So let's do it, let's say we combine with the basic step. We have a basic to the side. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our partner stops us and lead us only to the 1 step and hip roll. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are hip rolls. Let's say how to do it together. Together, in order to do hip roll, we have to change connection. So we're going to be dancing like this, and then we have to get into this position. There is a few ways you can do it. You can just directly come here, or you can do a little bit rainbows and approach your partner, or you can do rainbow and put her hands on your shoulders. Either way is good. So we will do simple. I'm just gonna approach her. So we do basic step. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just approach her, put her arms on my shoulders, and I will lead her hips to the hip roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the basic. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take a look at from different angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enjoy.